Beautiful morning, ladies and gentlemen. Are we live? So, let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful morning. You are watching from my bedroom this morning. So, I'm actually doing this from my bedroom. And this week has been very, very busy for me, coupled with the fact that internet has been extremely crazy, especially MTN. But all of them, I cannot just say MTN. MTN has been very worse. Airtel has been very bad. Glow has not been interesting. All the network providers in Nigeria. I'm calling them out. I've called them out on Twitter too yesterday. I don't know. So, but welcome this morning, guys. As you are joining us, kindly use the like button, smash it like smash the like button. As you're smashing the like button, drop your name and the location where you are joining us from. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah. So, multiple things. I had to change my laptop. The other one is giving me issue. Um, this trade, I'll be getting out of this trade now. Why? Yes, it's in profit, but I'll be getting out of this trade. I'll be getting out of this trade because based on when I posted this trade, I told you guys on the Telegram channel that it's a V setup. So then there are things that I'm supposed to see. I didn't see all that I'm supposed to see, like 100% what I'm expecting. So therefore, I'm getting out of this. Even though this trade ATP, I won't mind. Know why? I'm trading my discipline. I'm not trading uh, for trading sake. I'm trading my discipline. So this trade is in profit right now, and I will be exiting my trade right now. Is the other one is in profit? The other one is at break even. So let me go right now to get out of this trade. Okay, I'm getting out close of position. Then the other account, um, I'm getting out. This should be a point for everybody that trading shouldn't be about you want to make money. Yes, naturally the money will come in. I've closed all my position. Yes, naturally the money will come in. But as a matter of fact, trade your discipline. Trade your what? Your discipline. What's your discipline? What you said you are going to see. Everything that you say you are going to see before you enter that buy trade or sell trade. If you did not see it, don't enter. As for me, when I was analyzing this pair last week Friday, this was the last pair I analyzed before I went off, so I didn't finish the analysis, and I just feel like I'm done. So the next day, when then the following week, I didn't have time to check my laptop during the weekend. So the following week, when I check, I think I was in the university office, and I was not with my PC. The internet was messing up, so I managed to actually use my phone to enter my trading view. Upon doing that, I just this setup is almost there. Let me just quickly set it up. So I couldn't do the verification again. So it was later when the network is now coming to stability yesterday evening, then I now look at this trade profile. I was like, oh. Normally I would not take this trade because everything that I'm looking for is not yet complete. Even though this trade might ATP and it might not, but I'm out of this trade right now. I'm out of this trade right now. Of course, I close in profit. This one is at break even, and this one is in profit. So I close in profit, but I'm out. I'm out. So that is that about that, guys. So we're going to be doing our top-down analysis again. We're going to be continuing our top-down analysis from where we start and from where we stop on Friday. So I hope my internet will allow me to do all of this in the way I want to do it. I hope, I pray that it will allow me because the network is poor right now. It's poor right now. It's poor right now. So moving on. The network is fluctuating, but at least let's still move on. So if you are in this live, kindly smash the like button. It's absolutely free. Okay, smash the like button. It's absolutely free. So if you want to also be a trader who at random sometimes just be in your bedroom and be taking trade, and be making money for yourself, join our mentorship. Our mentorship is going on. Yesterday, I post about my guy. Let me quickly show that. Let me use that as a welcome while we're waiting for other people to join. So I post about one of my mentor, my mentee, whom, hold on guys. So one of my mentee, okay. So you guys are seeing my telegram right now. So this is it. So this guy has been doing very well. I posted it yesterday. Okay, this was the trade before on Monday. You can see, I say we'll keep you updated. My internet is too poor. That was the reason why we couldn't have a session on Monday. And then this trade activated. You know, I say it's a big setup because even looking at it, I was like, yes, I can see the reason why to enter the trade, but at the same time, I'm still not convinced enough. So you can see the guy before and after, and you can see it is under our mentorship, current mentorship, our chat setup. We posted the chat there, and then before you know it, the TP has been smashed, and it was not the only one. You can see this another setup. This AUD As a matter of fact, this particular setup, I also saw it and I took it on another on one of the account I'm trading, and then it was we are saying the same thing now. Like this is the joy that any teacher or any mentor would would be happy to see that when I'm looking at the chart, if my student is looking at the same chart, we'll equally be seeing the same thing because we are trading the same system. So he had two TP yesterday. I had one TP yesterday because I didn't take this. It was his own analysis, but I took this because it's part of my own watch list and also it is part of my own watch list. So this was this trade this morning, but I'm out of this trade right now. Okay. So that is that about that, ladies and gentlemen. Let's be smart. Uh, which one is this one? Okay. Sorry guys, I'm doing something this thing. I don't know why it does. Okay. Okay. So let's go back to our chat. Let's go back to our chat. Let's go back to our chat. Okay. So you guys can see my screen right now. Okay, interesting. So now moving on. Let's quickly look at what's happening on GBP. On my watch list here, I have. Are you kidding me? Is it because I just logged in my? Okay, because I just log in. This system is actually just logging all my website, my account on Nedbank. So now we've done AUDUSD, we've done USDPY. On Friday, we've done analysis on this. This was the trade on that yesterday. We've done USDPY. Oh, this particular trade, our stop loss was placed wrongly. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I put the stop loss where I'm supposed to put it down anyway, but it was a loss on the market actually. So I'm sure this is going to be my error. This is going to be my error. Pretty sure this is going to be my error. Why? Because the market did not really move far from that. So if to say okay, yeah, it's going to be my error if to say I want to lower time frame to confirm all these guys. So normally this is where the stop loss supposed to be. This is where the stop loss supposed to be in this place. Okay. So and target here as our TP. Okay. But because of when I was doing it on Friday, I just want us to cover this area because I didn't see any reasonable thing right there. And that was why this trade made us out because going into our direction. But all well and good. This is what I usually tell my students. When you are doing your analysis, always make sure your stop loss is at the point of invalidation because you never can say. Now, this guy came to take out this investment now. You never can say. Okay? This setup is correct, but the stop loss is supposed to be here. So, moving on, gold, moving on. At this point, that gold is okay. Let's just move on. Let's just move on. I don't want to talk about gold too much right here because uh, I don't want to pay much attention to gold for now. So now, give me GPY. What's going on with GPY? We go to daily time frame. Let me hide all this going. So I did the same thing on Friday. So this market is on an uptrend, but the fact that it's on an uptrend, it's also it started changing character for us here, and then still do like this. So it is not clear. From here right now to this level is on a downtrend. From here to this guy is an uptrend. So it is confusing itself. So anything the market gives us is what we are going to take advantage of. So market took out all this liquidity, but it is yet to break to this structure. So until this guy break above here, that is when we are going to be until we have a break of structure here, because we already have what we already have a sweep of liquidity, but we need a proper break of structure right here. So until we have a proper break of structure, ladies and gentlemen, I am not ready to actually, uh, dine with this guy unless if I see any news to continue taking it higher, but it is going to be risky, okay? Because you can see, I talked about this trade on Friday. I'm very sure. So I talked about this trade on Friday. So there's high chances that this guy right here will still come down and take out this move. I don't know. There's going to be a conflict here because this is a setup. This is a sell setup that the market is respecting, and it's likely for this setup to take out this move. And this is another setup right here that is sending this guy to this upside to take out this high. So I don't know which one will be one. I don't know which one will be one. But from what I'm seeing here, this guy to this liquidity is going to his utmost target is going to be this high right here. Talking about this high. So now I don't know which one the market want to respect first, which one the market did not want to respect first. So but I'm out of this trade. I will just wait for market to do what it's going to do at the end of the day. We will now reposition ourselves. Now CHF JPY. Yeah, after this trade that smashed TP for us, I want it to actually close above this guy. I want it to actually close above this guy. If you look at it, if you can close above this guy, that will confirm the buy, the buy continuation for us. But right now, this buy is not yet valid for continuation until this high is being taken out. So, and I didn't expect market to come and take out this low. If you come and take out this low, then I don't understand what this pair is doing. You have to still be more patient to see what the market is going to be able to take advantage of it. Okay, so that's that about that on CHFJPY. Now on moving on, yes, this guy took He has not built structure, so there's nothing. If you go on lower time, you might say super, but I don't want to dine with that. You guys know that. So BTC USD, what's going on? After BTC has smashed our TP, is now going back up. You can see immediately after smashing our TP is when this guy started going back up. Okay, you can see. So I wouldn't mind if this guy break. There's always guys when you are trading simple concept, just follow instruction 2%. Okay, so look at this. Now the guy is back at entry. If to say you didn't take out your profit here, it's back at entry right now. So maybe it's still going to come back and sell. It might do that and it might not do that, but I don't know. But what I know is that I've entered into this trade and on Monday morning we smashed TP with this trade. Okay, so Ethereum, okay, nothing serious on Ethereum. Maybe you did get ladies and gentlemen. That's taking out this guy. I this guy. Oh, so this trade is playing out already. I don't even know that because I was not on my system. Remember this? If you remember, it's been a long time I did this analysis. I said this guy here is it's on certain POI unless you have an investment. Then later the investment came. So this POI right now, market tap into it, you can see and sold. And now market has fulfilled what it wants to fulfill with this guy right now is coming back up. So let's just hope. I don't know. This is 4 hours time. Maybe when I go to 1 hour, I will see this guy properly. Okay. Now this guy, I'm pretty sure this analysis was taken. This entry was taken on lower time frame. I'm very sure because I cannot see the reason why I picked this POI on 1 hour time frame. So I'm still going to hold on to it. I'm just going to extend it to where the market is right now. Because that's one thing about the simple concept. Whenever the market finally comes there, the setup that you've done, in as much as your analysis is right, in as much as everything you're supposed to do right, you did it right. Anytime market comes there, just going to give you that free money. Trust me. It will look like a free money because you have done the analysis and you have forgotten it. I'm not even placing expectation on it. So I don't know. The fear I'm having right now is that will market get here before it started going? I don't know. So if I want to enter this trade now, if I adjust my entry a little bit down to capture this guy at my P1, capture this guy as my POI. So we still want to turn our stop loss, our point of invalidation. Okay, and this one will go a little bit down. Okay, so we can just enter this individual. We can enter this individual. So let me look at it again from a fresh. Let's delete all these. So what are we seeing here? Okay, so this guy he took out which liquidity did he take? Which manipulation did he do? He didn't do a serious manipulation. We have this high to this low. Okay, from here we have this low to this high, high to this low, this high to this low, to this high. Then the guy broke all of them. That one all the way. So we need to have the gap. We need to keep the gap. Ladies and gentlemen, that setup is a B setup. It's not an A setup. It's a B setup. It's not an A setup. Okay? So AUD if you're going to enter it, it's a B setup, it's not an A setup. Okay? Now GBP card, let's quickly look at GBP card. What's GBP card doing? Mm. Okay, yeah, so painful yesterday. I couldn't take advantage of this trade. So painful. I've been looking at this trade. Look, let me quickly just. I saw it, but the network did not allow me to do the analysis properly. It has played out already. It has played out already. You have our manipulation. You have paying the card that usually pay. The card is very, very good here. So we have our big structure right here. We have our inducement here. But this our inducement. The only challenges I'm having with it is that it's kind of far to where our POI is. So, but I'm going to this one our POI is. POI is. POI is. If you are my student, you know the reason why I picked that POI. You perfectly know the reason why I picked that POI. So, okay. So I can see another engagement right here. So which is going to validate this POI. But my challenge is going to put the stop loss. So if I go lower, so I'm doing this analysis now as if the trade has not even gotten there at all. So I'll go lower. I'll probably just be risking this high. I'll just be risking. So anything can happen, just like the way it happens on AUD can also happen on this one. Why? Because the point of invalidation is here. But looking at the risk to reward, I might just want to be like, okay, let me enter here and put my stop loss above this high right here, and then just target 122. So already you will have smashed TP with this trade yesterday. You will have smashed TP with this trade yesterday. But because of internet, I couldn't even enter. So even though AUDUSD messed up, sorry, USD JPY, I think it's USD JPY. Even though USD JPY messed up because we didn't have to cover. So this is it. Now depending on this is one of the reasons why I usually cover point of invalidation because of something like this. Because it is better to know that you are not right, that that's why you take that stop loss, than to know that you are right and you still take the stop loss. Sometimes it's very, very annoying. So so in a case like this, I'll ask myself, do I want to risk it? Because this is highly risky. What if the market still want to come down? Because I know point of invalidation is here. And then market still have tendency to come all the way up here, to even come all the way up here. So which one do I want to go for? So I usually subscribe for point of invalidation to save you the stress. So to say I want to cover point of invalidation on this guy right here. The stop loss will be here, and I'll still be anticipating my 1 to 2 to be here. So I'm going to actually pick one. Which one will favor me the most? So, but this kind of trade, I don't really like it. I like my stop loss to just be here, and to my TV to just be here. So, but nevertheless, don't worry. I have my trading plan, and I know what I'm doing. So, but that is why we miss this trade anyway. We miss this trade because I was not with my setup. The US oil, USA, ladies and gentlemen. That guy is yet. I think I need to touch my mouse. This guy is yet to come and repair this loss that he gave. And as a matter of fact, I think I want to exit this pair for now. I want to exit this pair for now because it's related directly to US. So he's been doing too much nonsense. I'm seeing another setup already, but I'm not ready to call it out. My students can see it and they can identify it. I'm not ready to call it out at the moment. because this pair has been doing rubbish. So I will actually put it in the place of GBP USD and this guy too. In fact, as a matter of fact, guy, if you have pairs, suggest for me because right now I'm putting some pairs in my backlist. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs now. I've thrown like 4 pairs into blacklist. So if you have better pairs that are doing well, you can suggest for me. I'm open. So that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? If there's no question, we can call it a day. So I'll just be anticipating for what's it called? CAUDJPY. Which pair did I just analyze that AUDJPY? Yeah, AUDJPY. The one. Let me analyze. Okay. Now I okay. Yeah. Wow. So, any question, ladies and gentlemen? If there's no question, let's call it a day. If there's no question, let's call it a day. If there's no question, let's call it a day, okay? If you have any question, if you have any suggested pairs, let me know. So I'm giving us some few minutes to do that. Any question? Any question? Any question? If there's no question, let's call it a day. And mind you guys, I will appreciate you guys suggesting pairs for me, okay? Suggesting pairs for me, pairs that you know that their head is correct. How do I know? Once you suggest a pair, I will analyze it myself. I will see how the structure of that pair looks like. If it makes sense, I will adopt it. If it doesn't make sense, I will dump it. As simple as that. Okay, that will be all for now, guys. That will be all. So, bye bye for now. Let's call it a day. Or